Hi everyone, this is Sean's Mandarin Chinese, and this lesson is basically a Chinese tone test that you can use to practice your Chinese tones. So what I'm going to do is, just to make it enjoyable, I'm going to read an ancient Chinese poem, very famous. The name is nóng. It's about farmers and about the effort that they put in to create food. And in the next slide here I have the pinyin of this poem, except for I've taken out all the tones. So the point is, I will read this to you slowly, and then if you want to practice your tones, a good thing to do would be write down the numbers of each tone as I say it, and then I will reveal the answers in the next slide. Okay, ready to go? Here we go. 锄禾日当午，汗滴禾下土，谁知盘中餐，粒粒皆辛苦。So hopefully that was slow enough to record it really carefully, and here's the answer. So 锄禾日当午 22413 汗滴禾下土 41243 谁知盘中餐 21211 粒粒皆辛苦 44113. So hopefully that was good practice for you, and hope you can join in the next lesson.